Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another Christmas ornament. This time it's going to be a round bowl and I'm going to do a ring pour on it, I think. So I'm going to be using my copper craft paint. Then I've got a mix of the green and the turquoise and a little bit of the copper because it's scraped from my last pour, and then I've got a magenta that looks really red on camera. So let's pour in a little bit of the paint. So a little bit of this mix first. I want to do pretty tiny layers. Hopefully that will give me the effect I'm looking for. So this is going to take a while. So the copper is mixed with absolutely nothing, it's just right out of the bottle. And the other one, well, the scrape one is the same and just on water. And the magenta is also just add a little bit of water to thin it down. I wanted them to be pretty thick because I don't want everything to slide off. I think that should be plenty of paint. Okay, hoping you can see it a little bit better. Maybe I add a little bit more to this one. And now it's time to just let it drip. Let's see how these dry and I'll show you the final result. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye everyone.